Hi guys, welcome back to Lennox Bennett channel, my grade 5, let's go. Call this number, tell your parents that you want to join this class. My name is Lennox Bennett, and if you want online class for the performance class, I have the marathons going on. Just call this number. These are going fast. Let's go. Alright, this one says fig pudding. This problem gives you the chance to work with the metric system and use ratio to convert a recipe. Alright, he said Dora and Jaka found a recipe for spiced fig pudding in an Australian cookbook. This is a recipe for 6 people. Now we have 225 grams dates, 175 grams figs, 175 grams breadcrumbs, and 50 grams flour. Over here we have 75 grams raisin, 50 grams ginger, and 100 grams shortening. Alright, let's go guys. And guys, I want you guys to attempt the question first before you look at the solution. If you're unable to do it, I think you really need to call this person, Mr. Benny right here, 549-2161. Go to your parents and call. A lot of students calling on their own. Guys, you have to get permission from your students. I cannot enter a contract because you're a child, you're a minor. So go to the parents and let them. Alright? But I'm so happy that you guys want to be a part of my class. So yeah, thanks for that. Alright, let's go. He said Dora and Jack draw a bar graph to show the amount of ingredients. So here we have the wheat, we have the dates, the figs, the raisin, the ginger, the shortening, the fattening, and the flour. Let's see what the first task is. It says one of the bar is not correct. Which one is not correct? What mistake has been made? So guys, when I was doing this in class, I actually did not recognize the error right away. After I was saying, sir, the zero must carry down, and I was saying, no. But guys, then I realized that these are actually not underlined. Alright, so let us do the correct thing. I'm gonna relabel it. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna do the correct thing. So I'm gonna erase all of these and I'm gonna put on the right thing so it can be correct. Alright, so here we have it, we relabel it, and each one of them is on the line now. So we're going up by 25, so that is it now. So it says now which one is incorrect. So let us find out which one is incorrect based on the number given. Now it says that dates should be 225, so we can tick that. Figs should be 170. Let me small it up so everybody can see label as well. Alright, so here we go. So figs should be 175. That is correct. Now raisin, I have raisin here. Alright, when are we raising it? Ginger is 50. That is correct. Breadcrumbs, where is breadcrumbs? 175. That is correct. We have shortening, which is 100. That is correct. Flour, which is 50. That is correct. I was looking for raisin. I didn't see raisin, so let me find the raisin. Alright, raisin should be 75. This is actually 175. So we can conclude that the raisin is incorrect. Alright, so they asked us what error was made, what mistake has been made. So what mistake made, because they started where 25 should be, they put 0. So 0 was not at the correct space. So 0 was not the starting point, and that was the error. That was the main error. And then everything kind of throw off based off of that. Alright, next. Let's go. Hit the like button, guys, if you want to be a part of my class. Contact me at 876-549-2161. It said Dora and Jack write some information about the ingredients. The heaviest of the ingredients are dates. There is twice as much shortening as flour in the recipe, and there are 50 grams more figs than ginger. Underline the sentence that is not correct. Explain how the information is not correct. So they gave us 3 sentences and asked us to underline which is not correct. But we know that we have to do it based on the graph, or not based on the graph only, it can be from that. So what we're going to do, I'm going to write back this information up the top. So give me 1 second, let me do that, guys, so you can have it in front of your face. Let's go. All right, guys, so what I've done, I've written the sentences so we can analyze them one at a time using the graph. Let's look at the first one. It says the heaviest ingredients is dates. So let's find dates, and that's correct, which is 225 grams. So that is correct. And remember, we're looking for which one is incorrect. There is twice as much shortening as flour in the recipe. Let's explore that. Let's look at the flour. Now the flour is at 50, while the shortening is at 100. So that is correct. The shortening is twice as much as. So that means it has to be this. There are 50 grams more figs than ginger. 50 more grams. Let's just test it out. So we have 175. That's the fig. Let's see what is for ginger. Now for ginger, it's 50. So the difference is not 50. But the difference would be 125. So that's the incorrect one. So this would be our answer. Alright, so I just took the liberty of typing it so you guys can see the graph and you can follow. That's my style. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So that one will not be correct, and you can explain why. The difference is 125. Alright, next it says, look at the list of ingredients, write 2 sentences of your own comparing the amount of ingredients. So you can write anything you want based on the graph. So let us look at it. We could say that the ginger is the same number of ginger as flour. Yeah, them type the least. Remember, one of them wrong, right? This one, the reason, wrong. So we could talk about that as well. Yeah. So it depends on how you guys feel. Leave it in the comment section, guys. Leave it in the comment section. Alright, let's proceed to the next task. It says this recipe is for 6 people. How many grams of shortening are needed to make a pudding for 9 people? So let us do the ratio part of it now. So this is for 6. How many grams of shortening are needed for 9? So it's going to be 1.5 times whatever it is. So shortening was what? 100. It was exactly 100 grams. That's for shortening, right? Currently, it's 100, but this is not the answer that we're looking for. Now, it's for 9 people. This is for 6 people. How much would 9 people would it need, right? It's basically 6 is 1.5 times 100, right? So all we have to do, just find a half of 100. You guys type in the comment section what you guys did to figure it out. So this would be 50 more, right? 50 more grams. So the total would be 150. Or we could say that the ratio should be 6 to 9. And then when you break down the ratio, it's 2 to 3. Now this is 2 to 3 if we divide by 50, right? So very nice question, very nice question. Alright, so they gave the answer as well. Nice, nice. So guys, we have come to the end of another paper. And guys, if you want to be a part of my marathon, so you can get your 20%, so you can go to your Campion, your Immaculate, your JC, your Calabar, your St. Mary's College, Glenmere, your Westwood, whichever school, Clarendon College, Merle Grove, Queens, Andrews, whichever school you want to go, guys. Let me help you to go there. I've helped so many kids already, and this is what I do. Just WhatsApp me on this number 5492161. Carry the video to your parents right now. Parents, if you are watching, it's the mother, carry it to the father right now. I say, you got to pay this bill so my child can get in this gentleman class. If you are the father, do the right thing. Carry it to the lady and say, Mom, I'm willing to pay for this class for my child so my child can get the proper teaching for the performance stars. Alright guys, don't wait until grade 6, and remember, summer school is on. Alright, because in the summer kids gonna be idle. Let them come to the summer classes and they can develop so they can be way ahead for September. It doesn't start September. Alright guys, it's the next minute tomorrow, no doubt. I'll see you guys in another video. More videos coming, videos like dirt coming in.